Hello traders, The title of the video is how to use a speculative Elliott wave count. Example 1. Alright, we are looking at the Euro Canadian dollar currency pair among the monthly charts. How to use a speculative Elliott wave count. Example 1. So in previous videos, I was talking about what is a speculative Elliott wave count. Check it out at 24 Elliott wave YouTube channel. All right. So I will not talk about what is a speculative Elliott wave count today, but I will be talking about how to use it. All right. So here we are. So talking about speculative Elliott wave count, we do not give too much consideration to the Elliott wave rules, but we understand those rules. You understand that? When you apply speculative Elliott wave count, you understand Elliott wave rules, but when you are using the speculative Elliott wave count, you are not giving too much consideration to the Elliott wave rules. It's a risky method that sometimes professionals are doing for different reasons. In this case, talking about the Euro Canadian dollar, I do not have all the data here. I have the data from 2009. You can see here. All right. So here price went down, then went up a bit, then come down. So I see, okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm calling that a W with a question mark on it because we are talking about speculative Elliott wave count. And after that move down, 1, 2, 3, which is a correction of what? Is there a price missing here? You see, that's why we are talking about speculative. Right, now, you see here, it ran fast. It ran almost like an impulse wave here. Okay, went out very far. I'm calling that X wave. Now, as the price pull back down here, if you were here, probably you'll be talking about, okay, Y wave right there. That will be a speculative Elliott wave count. And at the completion of that supposed to be Y wave here, if the common center line is broken here, you will be looking for an opportunity to buy it to go up, yes or no. All right, that will be a speculative Elliott wave count. But because we are here today, on the 1st of March 2019, all right, the time in London is 37 minutes past 2 p.m. We are now here. So talking about speculative Elliott wave count, we say this move down 1, 2, 3 is W, this one up is X. So now we have A, B. So this move down, that's A, B, C, D, E. See the arrow here? I did talk about this before. So here 1, 2, 3, forming the E minor wave of the A, B, C, D, E Elliott wave triangle. All right. So if you do not know about W, S, Y wave, corrective wave, you may YouTube search it. You may go to www.24elliottwave.com. Check out the videos about WSY wave price structure at 24 Elliott wave YouTube channel. All right, DG2, DG4, Elliott waves in plural YouTube channel. And there is a playlist, in fact, that you can watch. I recommend to Elliott wave trader to check our video. All right, don't watch it somewhere else. Everybody saying the same thing. I do not say the same thing, please. All right. Also, if you do not master, okay, the ABCDE Elliott wave triangle, you can go to www.24elliottwave.com and also to our YouTube channel. So talking about speculative Elliott wave count, W, X, Y. The Y is now a triangle. Now, how do we use a speculative Elliott wave count? If you are using a speculative Elliott wave count, You want to draw the key, support, and resistance level. Why? Because the reason why you are using a speculative Elliott account is to find trading opportunity to buy and sell, yes or no. If you want to buy at a support level. You want to sell at a resistance level. So it makes sense because you are taking a risky steps, okay, to make a decision. You want to start minimizing the risk using, okay, market stable data. A resistance is a price level where people did buy, did sell the stock before, and they are likely to sell again at those levels. All right. The support level is a level where people did buy the stock before, yes or no, and they are more likely to buy again in that zone. All right, yes or no? It is. So when you are using a speculative Elliott account, you want to use, okay, market stable data. Work with things that are, okay, more robust to minimize the risk. All right, that's the first thing. Draw all the horizontal key levels on your chart because you will need them. You may have to draw also trend line. All right. You may have to use pitchfork tool. You see the pitchfork tool that I draw here. So look at that. This is the first point, the second point there, third point. All right. Look what the price did. So suppose you were here. Okay, you were here. You say, okay, this is Y way. Okay. So if you buy here after this common center is broken using the top down trading method, it's going out. You'll be watching the median or the pitchfork tool. Did people take profit there? Yes. As the price pulled back, you see, it went a little bit below that median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool. This is the lower half of the pitchfork tool. It came back to another resistance level, you see. That's why it's so important to use those horizontal key level when you are using speculative. So it bounces. So you are using speculative Elliott account by here. You know that, all right, George, median line is there. Okay, now it's start coming down. You say, war is looking for a better support level. Now it's at a red. You find the support, you take it out, it's going. Now where are you watching again? The median line. Did people take profit there? Yes. Am I talking too much? So, trade. So, in fact, the first step something that you need to bear in mind when you are using speculative Elliott account is to trade around key support and resistance level. Talking about trend line, talking about normal horizontal support and resistance level. All right, talking about pitchfork tool on the edge of a pitchfork tool. So you want to bear in mind that you must make all your trading decisions around key support and resistance level. Right? The second thing that you need to do if you want to use speculative Elliott account is to map out the chart. So we're talking about mapping out the chart. That's what I've done now. Draw all the key level, trend line, pitchfork tool, market geometry, blah, blah, blah. Every key level, trend line. Okay? Especially you must use the pitchfork tool like I did now. All right? You map out the chart. The third thing that you need to do, you must implement a top-down trading method. So like here, when the common statement is broken, you are using speculative Elliott account. You see, here again, a support was in place. You see that support there? Was it useful? Yes. So you are not just concentrating on your speculative Elliott account. You are working with things that are reliable in the market. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Come here. You say, okay, why? Common statement is broken. So the third step, use a different time frame trading method. For traders who are very, very new to us, you want to master top-down trading method, just you to search the first, mastering top-down trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. And you will see a playlist from one of my channels when I'm explaining to traders what is a top-down trading method. All right, you see now? Again, here is so it came out of the pitchfork tool, so it break below. What the price likely to do again? You try to retest the pitchfork tool. It break below the pitchfork tool. It's going now, but to retest it. You see, break below, retest. It's going over. pull back, key level. Look at it's coming down. Whenever you hear the word price coming down, price looking for a better support level. Price going up, price looking for a better resistance level. So can we work with support, resistance level in any form, shape, or size? Talking about horizontal trend line, normal trend line, pitchfork tool, Fibonacci key level, market geometry, projection of a channel. Would that be useful? Yes. So where are we now, you see? That's a good question, my friend. We are near the support level at 147.42. That zone didn't touch it yet. You see now? So it calmed down very fast. You see, it touched it already. You see, it touched it already. You see, but this was going on in the market all the time. And that's why I say to traders, try to go into the mind of other traders. So you see, the price rushed down to the orange line, which is a key level. But because Elliott wave traders want anotherly 1, 2, 3, they were doing it here. They have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They are happy. 1, 2, 3. These are Elliott wave traders. 1, 2, 3. Now they want to see again a clean cut. 1, 2, 3. But look, the price just pushing down near the pink line and the orange line. Now, all I will say to traders at this junction, traders that are trading the Euro Canadians, priority to bullish signal above that green hot spot trading zone. Why is it a hot spot trading zone? Because it's the intersection of horizontal key level and that pink trend line is a hot spot trading zone. All right? But I understand that the area where traders are trying to create a clean cut 1, 2, 3. You see, so price try to run away here. You see how this talking. So price try to run away quickly. They say, all right, you see now speculative area we count is completed W, okay, and then they say X, and they say okay, Y is completed here. So everybody see the pattern clearly. So this is what we are talking about. So people say, all right, the pattern is now completed. And people start buying here very fast. You can see people are buying very fast. These are smart traders. They understood that what's happening. They say 1, 2, 3. It's already finished. They say, all right, let's bring it up now. They bought it big time here. Look, it ran up. But Elliott wave trader push it. No. We want our 1, 2, 3 to push it back down. They are forcing it back down. What's happening here is a bit messy because those who bought it here want to bring it back up here. Elliott wave trader want to push it back here. So I leave it to you. All right. Apart from the hot spot trading zone, you can draw a line here now. You see that line? If you want to control the risk very, very, very closely, all right, you can pay attention to the level of 14960 prior to bullish signal above and prior to bearish signal below it. But all in all, is priority above this hotspot trading zone. So this is about how to use a speculative Elliott wave count. Example 1. I'll be coming up with different examples in the near future about speculative Elliott wave count. All right. So to summarize this video, first thing one should bear in mind, talking about how to use a speculative Elliott wave count, one should bear in mind that one should trade around key support and resistance level. Next thing, be sure to map out your charts. Third step and last step, you must use a top-down trading method. If this video has been totally useful to you, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other Elliott wave traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. I really appreciate it when traders share a video, and I say to those traders, thank you very much. Sometimes I'm posting video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. My YouTube channel, talking about Elliott wave trading or speculative Elliott wave trading, is 24 Elliott waves YouTube channel. Subscribe to them and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use a speculative Elliott wave count. Example 1. The financial instrument that we were analyzing today is Euro Canadian dollar. If you want to learn more about Elliott wave trading, go to www.24elliottwaves.com. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. For traders that have asked me to record videos to trade that are suggestion, topics that I should discuss, I have not forgotten you, and your video is in the pipe, so to speak. All right. Thank you for watching.